Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to send money from Kucoin to a bank account. Alright, so if you're looking to credit your bank account with some money from your Kucoin exchange, all you need to do is simply open up your Kucoin. So open up the Kucoin platform, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Kucoin, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and bonuses when you register and verify. Alright, so you're on Kucoin, you're looking to send your money into your bank account. All you need to do is head to the assets menu. Once there, scroll from the overview to the funding. Once on the funding, this is where we're going to be sending or moving our cryptocurrency into our bank account. But before this, make sure you have the USDT on your wallet. Now, one thing to notice, if you have other cryptocurrencies besides USDT and you would like to convert them into the USDT for your bank account, all you need to do is just simply head to the home section, scroll through at the tax bar, click on convert, and use this option to convert your cryptocurrency into the USDT for trading. Alright, so once you've gotten a sufficient amount of USDT, let's say you still have your USDT on your trading account, all you need to do is click on transfer. When you've selected the option to transfer, then we're going to be moving our tokens from our trading account to our funding. As you can see here, it says trading to funding. Alright, now enter the amount of USDT you wish to send, click on confirm, and the transaction is done. That is, you've moved from your trading account to your funding account here. Alright, so with the USDT on your funding, simply head over to the home section, scroll on the tax bar again, click on the P2P platform. Alright guys, so once the P2P platform has opened up, click on the sell option as we're selling into our bank account. And now all you need to do is find someone who's verified. As you can see here, you find the verification badge across their names. Alright guys, so once you found a merchant who is ready to receive your cryptocurrency to send you local currency, click on the sell option, enter the amount you wish to sell, and then proceed to sell your USDT to get your local currency in your bank account. You can provide your details by clicking on the icon at the top right and then clicking on add payment method and click on add a payment method again. You'd find the different payment methods that are available, from Apple Pay to bank transfer to Cash App to PayPal to Payoneer to Reserve to Webhold and Zelle. So if you select any option, you could simply enter your account options, your full name, your phone number, and click on confirm, and it will be done. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.